Are you going through in life? You are wondering why all these things are happening to you. Then wait, you need to hear this. Problems are like washing machine. They twist, they spin, and they knock us around. But in the end, we come out cleaner, brighter, and better than before. So don't think the problem you are going through will be the end of your life. Ndwen sɛ ɔhaw na wo nan mu no ɛno ɛna de wabrabɔ bɛbɛ wieyɛ. Na mmom, deɛ wo nan mu biara, huni sɛ ɛte sɛ afidie a yɛde si nyama. Sɛ wode nyama fi ɛhyɛ afidie a yɛde si nyama mu a, deɛ afidie no yɛ ne sɛ ɛtwistiw, ɛspinnew, ɛnnɔke wɔ around. But at the end of the day, bones waba abɔnten better than before. Nti me nua, know ye therefore that definitely you will come out brighter and better. Don't let this problem overshine your brighter points. So my brother watching, my sister watching, problems are like washing machine. They spin, they twist, but at the end of the day, we come out brighter, better than before. Continue watching, share, like, and comment.